In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Steam Hex ID. This is the unique identifier many game servers and tools use to recognize your Steam account. Especially in communities that require whitelisting. We'll keep it simple and clear, and by the end you'll have the exact hex value you need. First, open the Steam desktop app and sign in. Make sure you are using the desktop client, not the website, so the next steps match what you see on screen. Once you are in, go to your profile. In the top right corner of Steam, click your username, then choose View My Profile. This opens your public profile page inside the Steam client. Now you need your profile URL. There are two easy ways to get it. Option 1. Click the Edit Profile button on your profile page. In the Edit screen, look for the Custom URL field. If you've set a custom URL, that's fine. Either a custom or numeric URL will work for the lookup. Option 2. If you are still on your profile page, right-click anywhere on the page background and select Copy Page URL. This grabs the full link directly, which is the quickest method if you don't need to change anything on your profile. The key here is to copy the entire profile link exactly. Don't just copy your display name. With your URL copied, open your web browser and go to a trusted conversion site such as swap.gg's Steam ID Converter or SteamDB. These are widely used lookup tools and you don't need to sign and avoid entering credentials on third-party sites. All you need is the link you just copied. On the converter page, paste your profile URL into the search or input box. Then start the lookup. The results page will show several identifiers for your account. Usually Steam ID, Steam ID 3, Steam ID 60, 4, and the one we're after hex. The hex value is a 64-bit Steam ID written in hexadecimal. And it typically starts with 11000001, followed by more characters. Find the field labeled hex, then copy that entire value carefully. Be sure you don't grab any extra spaces or punctuation. This hex ID isn't a password, but it does uniquely identify your account, so only share it where it's needed. Like when a server or admin specifically requests it. A good tip is to paste it into a Notes app and label it clearly so you can find it quickly later. That's it. Thanks for watching.